Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we are making gluten-free marble cake in a simple and easy way. This gluten-free marble cake was very delicious because I made it with melted chocolate instead of cocoa powder, which made it very enriched gluten-free marble cake. Even I used just 2 tablespoons of olive oil in it. So let's start it. To make this gluten-free marble cake, we need almond flour 2 cups, sugar half cup, extra virgin olive oil 2 tablespoons, vanilla essence 1 teaspoon, baking powder 1/4 teaspoon, 3 egg yolks of large eggs and 3 egg whites, semi-sweet chocolate chunks 1.4 ounce. I melted them in microwave for 50 seconds. Milk 2 tablespoons, salt 1 pinch. Preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes to bake the cake. Beat egg whites for 2 minutes on high speed. In a bowl, add 3 egg yolks and sugar. Beat them for 1 minute on high speed. Then add oil and mix them for 1 minute. Now add vanilla essence and milk. Mix them for 30 seconds. Then add baking powder and salt. Mix them again for 30 seconds. Now add almond flour in it gradually to make a thick cake batter. When it is done, add beaten egg whites in cake batter and fold them gently with a spatula. Add a little bit egg whites at a time and keep on mixing very carefully. When cake batter is ready, add half cup of batter in melted chocolate and mix them to make chocolate batter. This is 8 inches of rectangle shaped baking pan. Brush some oil in it. Then place a piece of parchment. Now add plain batter in baking pan. Spread it evenly. Now add chocolate batter over plain batter on different spots. With the help of a fork, make marble effect on it. Tap it on a counter, then bake it for 40 minutes in a preheated oven. After 40 minutes, a beautiful gluten-free marble cake is ready. Let me show you the closer look of this cake and make a slice for you. See how soft the texture of this cake is. Hope you guys like the video of making gluten-free marble cake. Please share recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Food Cart. Stay blessed. Amen.